After working in digital marketing for more than 7 years, I realized that using Excel for everything just doesn't cut it anymore. It also hit me that I don't have the time to learn complicated video editing and graphic design tools. So in this video, I'm gonna show you some incredibly powerful and simply easy to use marketing tools for productivity, copywriting, design, and much more. And of course, we're gonna be talking about some AI tools as well. These are the tools that I've been using myself for quite some time now, and I guarantee that they'll make your life as a marketer so much easier. After watching this video, don't forget to brag in front of your whole marketing team about this new tool that you've recently discovered and want to introduce to your marketing team. Fine. Of course, I included the links to each of the tools in the description below, along with the timestamps. Whether it's a webinar rec that you need to repurpose or a video podcast episode for your socials, you obviously need to be able to quickly edit the video and at the same time make it look professional. Your design team is typically busy for this kind of tasks. With V.io, you can take your video editing to the next level without any of the headaches. Add automatically generated subs, translate your video in multiple languages without lifting a finger, read scripts unnoticeably, because yes, Vid can fix it for you. This is nuts. The reason why I love using Vid because it's all about simplicity. Whether you are a complete beginner or you have some basic video editing skills, using Vid will feel right at home with its incredibly simple user interface. It's like video editing made fun. Also say goodbye finally to long rendering times. Vid lets you edit and export your videos in a snap. This is a lifesaver when your deadline is approaching. You can also access your projects from anywhere, anytime, so no more need to remember about forgotten files or some lost edits because you can access Vid straight from your browser. And also you don't need to worry about any onboarding or spending hours watching YouTube tutorials on how to get started because Vid is just so easy to get started with. So I genuinely recommend you this tool because marketers cannot simply function without video content these days. What if I told you that instead of boring email subscription forms like this, yours can look something similar to this one? I mean, just look at it. You can't help but sign up looking at this because it just looks so out of the box. And you can get exactly the same for you from Visme, which is a leading visual communication tool. In fact, Visme forms have been tested on over 700,000 organic visitors, and the forms have shown to increase conversion rates by 207%. In general, with Visme you can create all types of graphics that you need, be it a presentation, a pitch deck, a social media poster, you name it. And again, don't waste your hours starting from scratch because Visme's library of templates for social media reports and presentations has you covered. So just pick, personalize, and you're good to go. I also really love their breakdowns of templates based on hyper-specific topics. Project management is a pain, especially once your team gets bigger and bigger. Now, I love xTiles for organizing ideas and brainstorming in a visual way. This is one of the most important aspects to me. So dump your ideas, create tasks, and attach references all in one place. No need to wrap your head around complex databases of Notion or dozens of Google Sheets anymore. And I also feel like creating a tile is just so mesmerizing with xTiles. I'm also a huge lover of their Chrome extension that lets me constantly bookmark cool ideas and then utilize them for my work whenever needed. Don't know how about you guys, but I personally can't deal with the standard Chrome bookmarks anymore because it just gets too messy. Now, when it comes to email marketing, whether you plan your next newsletter or a series of email chains, you need to brainstorm, and usually it's just you and an empty Miro board. So an AI email generator, Hoppy Copy, will help you cope with writer's block. For example, say you need to create a series of emails around your product launch, so simply fill in some required data on your brand, your product, some lines about your features, the timing, something about your offer, and a few sentences about your target persona, and you're gonna get a list of cool ideas to proceed with. The reason why I love this tool is that it helps you categorize your brainstorming, and I feel that this is a limitation of ChatGPT, for example, because you usually struggle with what type of query to ask ChatGPT, and then you end up asking something really generic, and of course, as a result, the output that you receive is quite superficial. Also, don't forget to take a look at their competitor monitoring feature to monitor your competitors' emails for inspiration and insights. So you can track their email campaigns, including design, copywriting, and promotions. I was actually mind blown when I saw that feature because there is no more need to sign up for the newsletters of your top 50 competitors and turn your inbox into a messy storage. When planning out this video, I turned to Headline Analyzer to get some info on the word balance and emotional appeal. Turned out that, for example, some of the main keywords of this video title were kind of buried in my headline, and this was a really good point because for some reason I haven't thought of it myself. So check out this tool and you can totally get by the free version, and you can also use it for your email subject lines, your blog articles, and much more. Of course, you can get some advice from your coworkers, for example, but normally we just get so biased when we work with the same product, with the same type of content all the time. So it's always good to get this type of external feedback from someone. And if you want to find out some top 5 AI tools that can save you more than 10 hours per week as a digital marketer, check out this next video on my channel.